It's gonna be a long day.
That moment when you realize you forgot to film an intro. Hey y'all, it's Zaria. Today I'm just gonna be showing y'all my get ready routine for brunch. I hope y'all enjoy.
So I'm gonna start out with the water bottle and just go in and let it up. And now that it's wet, I like to like go through and just like kind of detangle it with my fingers, just kind of bring it back down so it's not so like fluffed up towards the top. The spray bottle is just from Target. Yeah. I already like washed my hair a couple days ago, so this is just kind of like the remnants of a wash and go. But I don't feel like blow drying it today, so we're gonna just make something work. And yes, y'all, my floor do be soaking wet after I get ready. So now that it's kind of detangled, I'm thinking I'm gonna pull it. I think I'm gonna pull it into like a ponytail or something of some kind. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this though. So yeah, take like a brush. This is like a boar bristle brush. I don't recommend this one. Well, at least not for my hair. My hair is way too strong for this thing, but you do need like a boar bristle brush. Or I recommend that. And yeah, I saw this little hack on YouTube where you like wet it to try to pull your hair back, and I was like, oh, what do you know? I'm gonna take this brush and try to work it back until I see something I like. I have so much hair. What the? Okay. I don't know about that one. I might just pull it into an updo. Change plans. So instead, I'm just gonna take this like do-rag and then just pull it up into like a pineapple kind of thing. So I'm gonna wet it up a little bit. And so how I do like my updos or like my pineapples, whatever you want to call them, I take like this, I take a do-rag, I kind of roll it up so it's not like long, so kind of like this. And then I come around the back of my head, like so. And then I kind of push my hair back, pull this kind of up. Not bring it too far though, it's still at the bottom of my head at my kitchen. Tie it in the front. And then pull. And then as I slide it up in the back, I'm just gonna keep pulling it tighter. Slide it up a little and then pull. It's gonna make sure like all my edges and everything get in. So slide it up a little and pull it in until I get how high I want it. So slide and pull. And so how I do it is when I go to tie it in the back, I start at the bottom and then I tie it once. And then I drag this up to kind of smooth my hair. And then I tie it again when I get to the, and then I tuck the little strings just back into it under my hair. And just kind of pull my hair over it. So now on to makeup. Definitely keeping things a little bit more simple today. I think I'm just gonna do like a more like natural look. So I'm gonna go in with some sunscreen. As y'all can tell, I finally got my eyebrows done. It was so long. My lady was like, don't wait that long again. And I was like, my bad. So then I'm going with my primer. Y'all know the drill. I was like, I cannot be out already. But now I have a little too much. That's fine. So yeah, like I said, I think I'm just gonna go more natural today. So I might just mix my foundation with my sunscreen / moisturizer again, instead of doing the whole look. Cause I'm going to like bottomless mimosa drop, like bottomless mimosas brunch. So like trying to take off makeup after that, not a good strategy. And I don't want to fall asleep in like a face full of makeup. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go light for today. So now that that's brushed or tapped in, whatever. Nice. All mixed together, wet or damp beauty blender. So going with my concealer, just my regular concealer. The NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. Yeah. Okay, I'm happy with that. When that dries down, I'm gonna like brush out my brows again. And what's left of my little lash. I'm such a bad sleeper, y'all. Like, my lash girl, I think she be getting tired of me because I'm gonna go ahead and put on some chapstick because my lips so dry. So now that the concealer is kind of dried down, I'm gonna have to go ahead and press it in. Very pretty. So I'm gonna add some blush. Milani, y'all know. Could I do contour? I do not feel like doing that. Let me stop. Okay, so now that that's on, for lips, I'm wearing a brown outfit today, so I'm gonna line my lips with the Fenty. This is the Mademoiselle in the shade PMS, because I'm still too lazy to go get a lip liner. So, yeah. And now for setting spray. Before I do that though, I think I'm gonna tie my edges down. This Cream of Nature head wrap is so big. It is what it is. I just didn't want to get my edges wet and then they start to pop back up. Where is my setting spray? Also in there. I just didn't look hard enough. So, y'all know, this is Anastasia, whatever you want to call it. So, now time for outfit. Alright y'all, this is like the brunch fit for today. My dress is from Shein. My purse and my boots are from Madden. They're like the matching set. My earrings are just from the beauty supply store. I really hope y'all enjoyed this get ready with me, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.